Morning YouTube. Today we're looking to review this Harbor Freight piece of shit grinder. It's not really a piece of shit. It works pretty well when it works. Switch is starting to go out. I might have to see if the switch is, I don't know, going bad or something. Alright, so overall, it's pretty durable. I've dropped it a bunch of times. I don't use it with this little thing. Had it for a while. It does get kind of hot when you're really using it continuously. So this one might just have a bad switch, because it does work. Works most of the time, but we'll see how much longer it lasts. I'm probably gonna go buy two more. They're very cheap, $10. You get a 20% coupon. They might be even cheaper this weekend because there's a deal going on. So we'll see how long it lasts. Alright, see you guys. I dug into it. I thought it was a switch that was going out, but it turns out to be this little wire here. It's all burned up. So you guys can see the terminal's pretty well burnt, as well as the little connector. So we're just gonna crimp it down, clean it up, crimp it down, and put it back. I probably should solder it. I just don't feel like doing it right now. Probably ran this thing too hot. It just burned up. Alright, good as new.